Hey guys, just wanted to take a real quick minute just to thank you for all the incredible feedback we've been getting from Livegood. Thank you for seeing our vision, for sharing our passion, and just for getting it, for understanding how we are truly revolutionizing the network marketing industry with the highest quality nutritional products ever created and making them available at prices that people can afford, along with an opportunity with a system and a compensation plan that are helping the average person finally be able to achieve success. So thank you. You guys are on fire. And for those of you who have not yet joined Livegood, guys, the buzz is out there and it's only getting bigger. We just launched this system a few weeks ago. It is still very, very early in the game. But the longer you wait, the more people that you know are going to be involved before you get the opportunity to talk to them about it. And I get it. I know a lot of you guys are in other network marketing companies, don't want to risk a check or anything like that. Guys, listen, everybody needs these products. These are the highest quality nutritional products on the planet for prices that everyone can afford. I'll give you a couple of them really quick. This is our Super Reds. Guys, highest quality cardiovascular health product ever created. Other companies are selling non-organic Super Beets, for example, for over $50. We make this available to our customers, to our members rather, for $18. How about our delicious, healthy, organic weight management coffee with mushrooms? Yeah. That's its name. It's super long because it's super awesome. Other companies are selling non-organic coffee that's not even close to as awesome for over $60, $17.95 for our members. How about CBD oil? Highest quality CBD oil on the planet. Other companies are selling this for $79 up to $100. Members get this for $18 for our 750 milligram, $26 for our 1,500 milligram CBD oil. Guys, regardless of what you're doing, you need these products. And if you know people who need these products, you have an opportunity to tell them about these products, because I know a lot of you guys who have been in this industry for a long time